hi everyone, so we're here.
Hi everyone, so we just got off the plane and we're headed to KHAOSAN route. For a place to eat. It's 8 here, 8 o'clock here.
So we ordered tom yum and green curry. So now we're gonna try. Good. You can feel the flavor bursting in your tongue. And the curry, you can feel it from your soul. And the tom yum, try the tom yum.
Masarap. Pero masarap yung
The spice is good. You can feel the spice rushing through your throat. Very lively. As you can see, there are bars open everywhere.
So with the car. So we're on to our next destination. So it's our second day in Bangkok and we're going to Ayutthaya. So this is my breakfast for today. This is sticky rice and pork. So we're done with the summer palace and next is we're going to Ayutthaya. We're here in Ayutthaya. Amazing! The temples are amazing!
The front enlightenment.
Yeah.
Hey, this is very good. You should try it. Really? Try it. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, that is revolutionary. The milk tea, the green tea, the matcha is bursting in your mouth. It's like heaven.
Hi, Bibyo!
Team milk tea!
Yeah! Hi ho!
What a wonderful creature.
We're at ano daw? Mahatha. Mahatha. We're here at Mahatha and Maha lang, Maha.
Ng vlog mo.
So we're again lost in KHAOSAN Part 2 and we're looking for the bus station so that we can book our trip to Cambodia, to Siem Reap. One more. Sawadee ka. Looking for Thai massage. So we just had our Thai massage.
Thai massage. Survive.
I was like,
It's really different from
yeah.
usual massage.
Even the points they're touching.
Yeah,
It's
more on, they're more pressed on. They're more. So do you recommend it?
Yeah, I highly recommend it. You should try. You should
Should try
Thai-
it.
Thai- It's 12 a.m. And we're going to Cambodia.